Stay right there. Yeah, Alright guys, listen, check this out guys. It's been an incredible 2 weeks. We had 3 appointments and we closed 3 appointments. And that doesn't happen in this industry. It just doesn't. So we created a sales strategy to solve problems. Once you understand the problem, or what we call the cause, and you really have a solution, then you're gonna have a better outcome. And here's the most important thing. I love what I do, and the most important rewarding thing for me is my clients, who I consider my partners now, are growing dramatically. Their cold calling has improved tremendously. I mean, this is one of the owners. What do you have to say? What do you think?
It's been amazing. Just the amount of information that we've learned in the past 2 months. Some of the strategies that you've taught us is at a different level than what we would have ever been able, what you would have been able to read in a book, what you would have been able to find on YouTube.
Okay.
This one-on-one and the experience and knowledge that you bring is completely at another level.
Well, I appreciate that. And listen, this is not rehearsed. He didn't even know we were going to do this. You know, his other partner is out getting another job, another deal, while he was walking. And the thing is this, it's all about mindset and attitude. And I'm telling you right now, those of you who don't believe that cold calling works, matter of fact, you have no idea what you're missing. So I'm going to share with you what you're missing. You're missing sales opportunities. That's what you're missing. Because once you understand the fundamentals of cold calling, all the other sales strategies become that much more powerful. Right? I mean, how many people call us back now?
The phone has been ringing quite consistently for the past week and a half.
And I was on the phone this morning talking to the head guy of the state government here that runs all the buildings. And I spoke to the main guy. And I had 3 calls coming in. You know why? Because when you take a call to action and you don't wait for action to come to you and you create your own engagement, this is what happens. This is what selling is all about. So those of you who want to continue to get followers and not generate any sales, keep doing what you're doing and expect a different result. But if you're serious about growing your business and growing your sales, you know what to do. Visit me at my YouTube channel, Martial Arts of Selling. If you like some of the videos, comment and share the video with others. Talk to you later.